Today for the Bitcoin price, the price of Bitcoin was recently just crashing down. However, guys, and this is a massive however, this chart here is confirming that the weak hands are already shaken out, and this is one of the most bullish signals is going to go down within the next 2-3 give or take 4 days. And we will talk about exactly why this impending golden cross is much more bullish and fundamentally different to the one we saw here in April 2019, back then before the price rallied up and topped out here at 14,000 US dollars. We will talk exactly about what this impending cross here means for the Bitcoin price, whether we can expect more downwards price action or upwards price action. So make sure you take a seat, make sure you smash up the like button to at least 1,000 likes. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. All right, guys, so we are here on the daily candles for the Bitcoin price. And yes, the Bitcoin price dumped back down. This still looks like a healthy retracement. We are, in fact, still in the bullish trend. We do not want to focus all too much on this. We want to focus on one of the most bullish signals, which is about to happen, which is about to inevitably go down within the next 3 or 4 days. And this is the golden cross between the 50-day and the 200-day moving average. You all heard about it. It's the most significant and the most important golden cross for the Bitcoin price, just judging from the 10 years price history for Bitcoin. And we want to tell you why this golden cross here is significantly and fundamentally different to the one we saw here in April, which was already bullish for the short term, but not for the midterm, since we had a 6-month downtrend here. And this one is significantly different. And guys, stick here until the end of the video. Watch the whole video through, because in the end, we are going to combine this with a very, very important indicator, namely the Bitcoin block growth curves. You do not want to miss out on that. First of all, remember, guys, this one here, the blue line is the long-term moving average, and the orange line here is the shorter term, the faster moving average, the 50-day moving average. And whenever we see a golden cross, we at MMCrypto, we want to actually look out for that this long-term moving average is not downward sloping, as you can see it here in April 2019. We are looking out for a long-term moving average when the golden cross is going to go down to be at least horizontal or upward sloping. The reason for that being is very, very simple. Before we tell you what the reason for that is and why this one being horizontal very nicely now starting to be upward sloping is very bullish for the Bitcoin price, we want to show you here one false signal back then in 2016, and we could show you more and more, even 2015. Let's zoom in. You can see here the golden cross, the orange line going above the blue line, the long-term moving average. But however, guys, you can see the blue line was still downward sloping. What does that mean for the key market structure? When the slower moving average is still downward sloping, this simply means that we are just coming out of the bear market and the consolidation phase was not long enough. If the consolidation phase would have been long enough, like it was here the case just a few months later, this one would already start to flatten out and would start to be upward sloping. We need for each and every bull cycle a bloody period of the weekends to be shaken out. And the long term, the blue line here, being upward sloping or horizontal at least, is the perfect indication for us having had this very nice consolidation period. And right now, going to the Bitcoin price, you can see that with the last golden cross here, we only had this small, like, 3-month consolidation period after the weekends were washed out at 3,000 US dollars, and this kind of was not enough. This price rally here to 14,000 US dollars was a little bit premature, and you can see that exactly here with that significant 6-month downtrend, which was the longest bull market downtrend we have ever seen in the history of Bitcoin. The reason for that being is, in our opinion, that this shakeout period we can basically see here in 2018, beginning of 2019, was not long enough. And now, guys, look at this perfect golden cross. It is exactly as we want to see it. The short-term moving average being heavily upward sloping, whereas the long-term moving average here is already flattening out, being horizontal, indicating that the shakeout period here during the month of September, October, November, December was long enough, and that the market is actually right now mature and ready to blast off in the long term. Of course, guys, we cannot guarantee you that we are pumping tomorrow. We were just 3 consecutive days outside side of the Bollinger Bands for Ethereum. The Bitcoin price is actually a little bit overbought here, or was overbought on the shorter time frames. So of course in the immediate short term we cannot guarantee anything, but this one is actually very, very bullish here for the mid run for the Bitcoin price, especially leading towards the halving. This is the golden cross exactly as we want to see it. This might be finally the exact confirmation we have been waiting for, and the same one we actually got here in October 2016 when this one was finally upward sloping, and afterwards we saw that nice, healthy, and afterwards parabolic increase to the new all-time high. We think that this specific signal right now might indicate the exact same thing leading towards the halving and also after the halving. Right now, guys, let us know, what do you think? Do you think we can knock out the price level of $14,000 towards the halving? Let us know in the poll which is popping up on top of the screen right now. Click it right now and say yes or no. Are we going to knock out $14,000? Also, scroll down in this video right now, go to the comment section and leave your 2 favorite altcoins, because guys, we have very good news for you. In 12 to 14 hours, we will make an exclusive video with DaVinci J15, and the most upvoted altcoin comments will actually maybe be taken into that episode or into the next one. So scroll down, leave your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below, and make sure you smash up the like button to at least 1,000 likes. 1,500 likes would be also very nice. It's completely for free for you, just as this content is for free. We are right now here nearby Bangkok in Thailand at a DAO event, and we want to push this content to you, so we would really appreciate every single like of yours, guys. We are basically counting them, so every like counts. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to support us, guys, you know it, go down to the pinned comment and you will basically find this free $90 bonus link for Bybit. Just click it, put in your email address, your password. It takes 24 seconds. You have to be an experienced trader. If you're not an experienced trader, buying, holding, dollar cost averaging is much better. If you are a successful trader, go down. This is the best leverage exchange. You get $90 for free within 24 seconds, basically $90 in 24 seconds. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.